Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate a bit of weaving into your macrame wall hanging. You can use this technique to create a wall hanging of any size. Let's get started. Use an extra piece of cord as your filler cord and tie a row of horizontal double half hitch knots. Grab your roving and attach it to your dowel. This prevents it from falling down. Bring your roving in front of two cords and then behind one. Repeat this process until you've reached the other side of your wall hanging. Do not wrap your roving around the extra cord we attached with our double half hitch knots. We will tuck this cord into the back of our wall hanging once finished. Wrap your roving around the last two cords a second time. We will now start to make our way back to the other side of our wall hanging. Bring your roving in front of two cords and then behind one. Repeat this process. Wrap your roving around the last two cords a second time. I will tie two more rows with this method for you so you can see how it looks. Tuck the ends of the roving into the back of your wall hanging. Cut off any extra with scissors. Tuck the two ends of the cord into the back as well. We will add another piece of cord and tie another row of double half hitch knots. You can choose to either tie a straight line or tie a wavy line. Tuck the two ends into the back and you're finished. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.